Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Mpow Bluetooth headphones. These are the headphones right here. I got them in red and black. And they are Bluetooth, but as you can see here, there is a charging port to charge it. And then on this side, right there, is your headphone jack. Now, before I get into the headphones, let's talk about the box that it comes in. This is the box right here. It has the model, talk time says 15 to 20 hours, music play time 15 to 20 hours, charging time 4 hours. We have the charging voltage as DC 5V and the battery capacity as 420 mAh. So when you get the headphones, they arrive inside this box, unwrapped, just like that. And inside, you have this nice suede carrying case. It's gray and black, very plain, very simple, no logos. Looks like that. You also get this booklet, Mpow, and it is your user manual, English, Dutch, Espanol, Italiano, Francais, and Chinese, or Mandarin. So go ahead and flip through here. It just gives you some information on safety. So do not disassemble or modify the headphones. Please keep the equipment, out of reach of children and pets. Temperature, don't get them wet, obviously. And do not operate in thunderstorm weather. And then it goes on to give you more information about the controls, what it comes with, etc., etc. You can read through that on your own time. And then last but not least, inside of the box, we have these nice little cables here. They are going to be your headphone, your aux cable, your headphone jack, whatever you'd like to call it. Simple, black, and silver. And that's if, per chance, they are Bluetooth headphones, so that's why I haven't had the chance to unwrap these, but they're Bluetooth headphones. I've been using them straight out of the box, and I haven't had the need for the aux cable just yet. I also haven't had the need for this. This is going to be your charger. Simple USB with a micro, it looks like SD or maybe regular. Yeah, that's a regular. And I have not needed to charge these out of the box yet. Again, I've been using the headphones for about 2 weeks. I got them over the holidays. And now let's get into the headphones themselves. Black, red, very simple, sleek. The ear cups are quite comfortable, quite soft, pliable. They fit on your head very well. Let's get into some of the controls. Your control panel is going to be right here. In the center, you have your on button. So I'm going to go ahead and turn them on. There you have it. They're on right now. You can tell by the flashing blue LED. It also said, I don't know if you could hear it, but it said power on, phone when connected. So that means it automatically connected to my phone. Now, in order to connect this to any other phone or device such as a laptop, you're going to need to press and hold your power on button for about 5 to 6 seconds. You're going to hear it say pairing, and the LED is going to flash blue and red, and I'll go ahead and show you that right now. So it actually just said your headset is disconnected. That means my phone is disconnected. It is in pairing mode right now, so it is searching for other Bluetooth devices to pair with. Now, if I wanted to connect this to a laptop or anything like that, you would be searching for the word Mpow, and it'll have a number after it. I think it's like 015. You click on that, and there's no code or anything like that. It just goes ahead and pairs. And I'll show you how to turn the headphones off. You're going to press and hold for about 6 to 7 seconds, or until you hear the headphones say powering off, like so. And now you can tell that the headphones are off because it just said power off, and there's no more flashing LED. Let's get into some other controls now. So let's go ahead and turn this back on. Now, because this is a headset, it does not have a microphone in it, so you can hear when your phone calls come in, but unfortunately, you're not going to be able to hear the person's voice inside the headphones themselves. So yeah, just remember, for phone calls, you'll have to disconnect your headset to continue speaking. Get into the other controls. We have a volume up button right here. It is a plus sign. The minus sign down here is volume down. We have rewind track and skip track for listening to music. And that is pretty much everything you need to know about these headphones. They're really amazing so far. As I said, I have them for about 2 weeks. I mostly use them just at home listening to music, walking around if I'm busy, and I'm going to be traveling, so I would really like to see how these perform on the plane. I think it's going to be amazing. They are passive noise canceling, so it should be great. See you again. Have a great day.